Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford EcoSport radio malfunction issue and outlines potential problems that may cause the infotainment or audio system to stop working properly, behave unpredictably, or lose functionality. In the Ford EcoSport, the radio system is integrated with audio controls, display functions, and in some versions additional infotainment features. A malfunction may appear as no sound, screen freezing, failure to power on, random reboots, or unresponsive buttons. System behavior and features can vary depending on model year, trim level, and installed infotainment version, so the issue may not affect every EcoSport in the same way. Based on verified technical information across Ford vehicles, radio malfunctions may be linked to software glitches within the infotainment module, internal hardware faults, or communication errors between the radio unit and other vehicle control modules. Electrical factors such as low battery voltage, battery replacement without proper reset procedures, or unstable power supply may also interfere with radio operation. In some cases, wiring connections behind the dashboard or related fuses may become loose or degraded over time, which can disrupt audio or display functions. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. In newer EcoSport versions, software compatibility or incomplete system updates could be a potential contributing factor, particularly if the radio freezes or restarts intermittently. In older vehicles, where within the head unit itself may lead to persistent malfunction. Possible solutions depend on the confirmed cause and are not guaranteed for every vehicle. General guidance may include checking fuses and power connections, performing a system reset, updating infotainment software when applicable, or replacing the radio unit if an internal fault is identified. In conclusion, a radio malfunction in the Ford EcoSport can stem from electrical, software, or hardware-related factors, and the exact cause may differ by vehicle condition and configuration. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.